Whoa, whoa, whoa. Bella Frunt.
What's up, you sweet, sweet people of the internet? Bella Frunt back here, and we are going to be doing something that I'm sure you've realized from the title of the video. We're going to be doing an installation today. An installation of what, you may ask? Yoshimura Alpha-t on the Duke 390. That's right. I know that there's a whole debate about Akropovic. Is it Yoshimura? Is it Yoshimura? If someone could just please help me in the comments and clarify, how are you supposed to pronounce that? It is deadly hot out there, but we're going to be under shade. All right, so this video is going to... Let me put this down, it's kind of... So it's a slip-on, so it's fairly easy to do. I'm going to be showing you just the bits and pieces that you need to know. I'm not going to show you how I struggle with the wrench and all of that. I'm just going to show you the tools. I'm going to show you what you got to do, and boom, bing, bang, it's gone. Some sound checks and some drive-bys with some really high, good quality sound, so you can get a good feel of the difference between the stock and the aftermarket. Let's go ahead and do this. So here are your very simple steps. Get your tools. Start off first by removing the stock exhaust, so that's quite straightforward. Only 2 screws to remove. First piece you're going to put is the tailpipe. So this is the nice Works finish pipe that's going to be connected directly to the exhaust exit. Clamp it back on, just make sure that you don't tighten it too hard. And now for the DB killer. I don't want to drive around without a DB killer. I'm in a nice little neighborhood. I'm not interested to really piss anyone off over here. Remove the screw that comes with it. Then you're going to pop that little cap off of the exhaust. Slip the DB killer inside. Now you're gonna have to shove it. It's a little bit hard because it's very tight space in there, but just jam it in. Take your Allen key, put the screw on top, and then take your exhaust, and on top of it, you just push it in and slowly turn it. Okay, that's what you're gonna wanna make sure to do, otherwise the screw could fall and get lost inside the exhaust. Take the exhaust, insert it into the tailpipe. Tighten your screws first here. And then tighten your screws there. You have the little spring that you're going to have to attach. So grab the little hook that it comes with, insert it into one, and squeeze it into the other. As simple as that. And now, ladies and gentlemen, for the very first time, on this model at least, we're going to see what it sounds like. So as you just witnessed, or as your ears just witnessed, that sounded pretty awesome. So we're going to take it for a ride and record some drive-bys. Alright, I'm very happy. I don't think that the Duke will stay with me so much longer. In August I will be taking my A license hopefully, and passing it hopefully, and then getting a bigger bike hopefully. So this bike could actually be yours if you live in the neighborhood or in the country. It's a really, really small country. All you gotta do is just DM me and we shall do the business. But until then, my dear friends, 3 words to remember. Keep eyes up front.